Alright, hi guys, this is Truman Hudson once again, and I'm going to be going through a homework tutorial for you guys. I'm pretty much going to be letting you know how you should go about reporting your homeworks to us, also what you can also use to help you as you go along. Now, this spreadsheet that you see that I have right here, everyone should receive this in their email once they attended the basic training 1. This is pretty much how you're going to be reporting your homeworks to us. Now you notice that in the top corner here we have first name, last name. This is where you would fill out that information for yourself. So whatever your first name and last name is, you'd put it in these places. Right below, you notice that we have the different lines that we're going to be looking for and that we're going to be wanting from you guys, and also where to find it. It says here the adjusted gross income can be found on the 1040 page 1 of your return line 37. If you guys want to see exactly what that looks like, let's just use the Rose Hudson exercise. And to say if you were going to report this to us, what you'd have to do is you'd go to your 1040 page 1, you scroll down to line 37, and you take a look at the figure right here where it says 7935 adjusted gross income. And what you would do is you come over here and you look for the corresponding problem. Problem 1 should be Rose Hudson. So what we do is for adjusted gross income, we would type in 7935 right here, and that's how we do it. For taxable income, it says 1040 page 2 line 43, so we would just jump over there. You go down to your line 43, taxable income, take a look at it. It is 2235, so we put that in there also. And for refund due, that is 74. So we scroll down. She does not have a refund due. Now, one thing to make note of is that every problem will either have an amount owed or an amount due. There will be no problem that will have both on the federal side. So what this pretty much means is that one of these boxes will always be blank depending on the exercise, because you can either have an amount due or a refund. Alright, in this case we have an amount owed, so we're going to put in $25 here, and my refund due box is going to be empty. Put 35, it should be 25. Now, once you guys are finishing, you completed the spreadsheet, we want you to email it back to us so we can take a look at it, see where you guys are at. One thing we want you guys to know is that we're not exactly looking for accuracy as far as getting the precise number correctly. We just want to make sure that you guys are at least on the right track, and you at least know how to maneuver the forms, and you know how to link, where to put things, etc., etc. If you guys feel like while you're going through any of these problems you run into any trouble, again, everybody should have a copy of the publication 4012 and also the 4491W where the problems are. In the 4012, you can use that to help you as far as finding out where you want to put certain things, certain incomes. If you guys have an income that you're not sure about, you can always go to page 21 in the yellow tabs on the taxable income in the publication 4012. It gives you pretty much a basic list of different kind of incomes that your clients will have, and also what forms to put it on. Alright, so again, the 4012 is very helpful in knowing where to put things in case you forget, because we know that not everybody's going to know exactly where the different information goes. So again, you want to always refer to your publication 4012 if you run into a bind. If you have looked through your 4012 and you still cannot find the answer, then you can always email us, let us know you ran into some problem here. But again, we just don't want you guys to sit there and not do the homework problems. All right, so 4012 is definitely going to be your best friend when it comes to these homework problems, and also in the future, because again, it will always be updated. It's always going to have the information that you will need, so you want to always keep that by your side. As far as where it says problem 1, problem 2, the reason why it has all of them is because we want to make sure that by the time you guys do get to the second session, you at least went through the bulk of the basic exercises. Now, problem 1 is referring to the Rose Hudson one, which everyone should have done in their first basic software session. So it's just a matter of plugging in the numbers. You won't have to do this over if you had already done it. Now, problem 2 refers to exercise 2, which is Odessa Parks. Alright, and that can be found on page 13 in your 4491W. Problem 3 refers to Charlotte Cunningham. It's on page 19. Again, it's a matter of plugging in the numbers. Exercise 4 or problem 4 that can be found on page 25, and this is all in your 4491W. Okay, page 25, that's going to be Windsor Clark. And finally, exercise 5 is going to be Quincy Bennett. Alright, that's on page 33. This is the comprehensive problem. So pretty much once you guys can get through these 5, then we'll be comfortable enough to know that you guys can get through the basic returns. You did not have too much trouble. If you did, again, contact us, let us know, but first refer to your publication 4012. Alright, and with that, if you guys have any other questions as far as the homeworks are concerned, email us, let us know. Again, it's just filling in this spreadsheet right here. Once you guys have completed all your columns and rows, you're just going to send us back the email with this attached to it, and we'll take a look at it, and we will just move on from there. Alright, thanks guys.